I know that a lot of you have been looking for ways to get your hands on all those cool Nitro features that Discord offers. Discord Nitro costs $10 to buy. However, the sponsor of today's video, Webtoon, has brought an event for you to take part in and get your hands on Nitro. Now, you don't need to worry. This is not only for one person. Anyone who has never had Nitro in the past can get their hands on it, and not only that. If you have not had Nitro in the last 12 months, then you are also eligible for this promotion. So, subscribe to my channel and let's get deep into this. So the first thing you need to do is head to the Webtoon app. Here, you will need to click on this login button to log in into the website, and don't worry, you can just log in using your Google account. After being logged in, now go to this search and look for School Bus Graveyard. And this series will pop up. On the series page, you will have to start by reading the first episode, and you will have to read it all till the 10th episode. And during this process, you will have to find Wumpus twice and click on them to get a Nitro link. If you can't find the Wumpus, then you can just read 10 episodes and you will get an option to put your email in. Keep in mind, the link takes a few hours to send, so be patient. However, if you don't receive the link in 3 days or 72 hours, then you can see here what to do. Once you click on the link, you will be sent to the Discord's website. Just log in with your account here and add payment information, and you will get Discord Nitro features. Don't forget to check out Webtoon. They offer stories of a lot of genres for you to explore through, all of which contain great stories. I am sure you will also like School Bus Graveyard too. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like these.